25-inch Android screen, the latest version 8.1 in a BMW X3. That's where we put our universal lip mount camera, so we can do factory trunk handle one. Customer preferred the universal lip mount. The LVDS connection behind this screen is MBT. It's a 6-pin connector. So right now I connect my iPhone with the USB Apple CarPlay dongle, which it does Android Auto as well too. So as you can see, right now I'm doing Apple CarPlay, and I can go to Google Maps. I can go to Waze. And right now we can add BMW logo to our USB dongle as well. So by clicking on that, it goes to the factory screen, and then right now this is the ID6 menu that we choose it on our Android system. So right now, as I said, we have the version is 8.1 Android system, and it's the legend one. Right now there is a lot of fake units in the market with the fake Android version, with the fake RAM and fake ROM. So really careful what you're getting. A lot of them, they're shipping from overseas, and they're all fake units. So make sure what you're getting, and always get the authentic unit. So we're selling the original unit, and if you want it, you can buy it online from our website, and we do free shipping. Right now we have a promotion for Black Friday too. By clicking to in car info, we go back to the factory iDrive, and still the knob works same as before. So whatever your iDrive used to do, it can do the same thing. Nothing is changed. And by touching the screen, I can go to the aftermarket mode. Right now the speed of the unit is 10 times more than the 4.4 version, with more RAM, which is 2 gig RAM and 32 gig hard. So they're ready to go, they're ready for shipping. So just buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Again, be careful of what units you're getting. Android 7.1, they're full of bugs. That's why we skipped that unit and we didn't sell it. So make sure what you're getting. Thank you and have a great day.